Diplomatic Corps, friends, participants, ladies and gentlemen, isang makaagham na umaga sa ating lahat. On behalf of the National Academy of Science and Technology Philippines, it is my honor to welcome you all to the 46th Annual Scientific Meeting with the theme, Beyond Farm Productivity, Transforming the Philippine Food System to Address Equity, Consumer Health, and Environmental Issues. For the last 2 months, we have actively offered platforms for collaborative and participatory discussions on transforming the food system by conducting the Regional Scientific Meetings, or RSMs, in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We organized these RSMs in partnership with the Department of Science and Technology regional offices. In the discussions, we recognized that interventions on the consumption side trigger the transformation of the food system. Specifically, greater diversity on the consumer plate and increased demand for environment-friendly products and processes will initiate positive changes in all other steps. The Philippines, with its rich agricultural heritage, still stands at a critical crossroad with the continuous challenges posed by our food systems. While enhancing farm productivity has always been central to our national agenda, we must broaden our focus to encompass equity, consumer health, and environmental sustainability. Our ultimate goal must be to ensure that the Philippine food systems are inclusive and fair, providing equitable access to resources, markets, and opportunities, especially to our smallholder farmers, empowering women and actively involving indigenous communities and marginalized sectors are crucial in shaping the future of our food systems. The well-being of our citizens is our utmost priority. We must ensure our food systems provide safe, nutritious, and affordable food for everyone. Addressing issues like malnutrition, obesity, and non-communicable diseases require promoting healthy diets and sustainable consumption. The health of our planet is inseparable from that of our food systems. Climate change, biodiversity loss, and land degradation threaten our food security and agricultural productivity. We must adopt practices that protect and restore our natural resources, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and build resilience against climate shocks. The annual scientific meeting serves as a platform for dialogue, collaboration, and innovation. It brings together policymakers, researchers, farmers, industry leaders, diplomats, and civil society to chart a path toward a more equitable, healthy, and sustainable food system. Let us be guided by a shared vision, a food system that nourishes our people, sustains our environment, and promotes social justice. Though our challenges are complex, I am confident that with our collective wisdom, determination, and action, we can effectively transform our food system for the better. At this point, I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to all the individuals behind this transformative event, to the everlasting support of the Department of Science and Technology Secretary, Dr. Renato Solidum Jr., and to the regional directors who wholeheartedly accepted the challenge of hosting the regional scientific meetings that led to this national event. Dr. Virginia Bilguera of Region 2, Engineer Romela Latilla of Region 10, and Engineer Jesus Zamora of Region 7. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. I would also like to acknowledge the overall chair of this annual scientific meeting, Academician Eufemio Rasco. It is indeed his brainchild for this event. I'd also like to acknowledge and thank all our guests and participants from the academe, industry, and public-private institutions all over the Philippines and the world. Thank you for your time. And last but not least, I'd like to thank my colleagues at the Academy of Science and Technology, our Secretariat and staff, and of course, our indefatigable Executive Director, Luningning Samarita Domingo. Let us seize this moment to make a lasting impact on the future of our food systems and the well-being of our nation, strengthening and fostering networks with the scientific community and the people on the ground to further develop the Philippine food system. Thank you, and once again, welcome to the 46th Annual Scientific Meeting.